One youth copper don't die due to lack of oxygen. This one happened for NYSC camp for Katsina State. Now wow, people just they die. This one na copper. They talk say this copper na even pharmacist. We know say if we go camp, they always get medical team, media team. Now so this lady said, "Bio, she there for the pharmacist team. I been a medical team. Now there she there." Say now this lady she go involved in sports. You where you know say you know they okay. And I when they wonder, you know, if they go NYSC, they always ask of medical reports. And they talk say this lady get bronchitis, I mean, what they call and asthma. Now this kind of sickness, now they worry this girl. So this girl they sick this kind of thing. She can't go play volleyball. As she go play the volleyball, now there her heart can't start to race, gym. Everything can't they move before we go see this auntie don't faint. My people, this kind of fainting, no be ordinary fainting, because we know, say, if person faint for NYSC camp, my auntie, you don't die. My brother, if you go, not even go do mistakes of say you won't even faint because you don't go. Because we know, say, no better medicine for inside this camp. If anything do you na paracetamol, make headache worry you paracetamol, you get belly anything na paracetamol, now you go collect. I can't surprise, say, this girl will be say, she know, say, she know well. She can't decide, say, she won't go to play volleyball. When you know, say, this thing involves you, where you go to run, your heart could beat you. Now, there, this girl can't go do this thing. And as if they talk, say, the people where they there, they try to treat this girl. I no can understand. This thing where we say doctor no dey jail. The time where this thing even happen to this girl, they don't decide say they won't carry this girl go hospital. No, they can't decide say now these fellow coppers. They can't decide now them won't come they treat this girl. Them say they talk say things no even dey. The medical things where they need to take cure this girl no dey like AMBU bag you know dey. Adrenaline you know dey. Oxygen self no even dey. I can't they want even for hospital oxygen no dey. Now camp NYSC camp now you can't say oxygen go dey. The only thing why our governments are being and our all these camp people how to they chop money and they go they put this inside their budget. If they build this NYSC camp, they go talk say this one are for medical. But if you go there, nothing she buy they know. If you not carry your own medicine, go my sister Naija, you go just even die put. The only thing where then this army and people for this corpus are doing how to they toast get. They follow girls in their trousers, they follow them for Nash. Now the only thing they sabi do for that NYSC camp be that now they don't come use their own. Go cover this kind girl. When you even know anything, if she even know, but you will be doctor. If you sit down for one place, then sit down for your side. What do you go find saying a sport you want to do when you know they okay? My people, bless some of us have our sense they sleep sometimes. Sometimes bless our sense they go on break, commercial break before go come back. Because you know this kind of sickness in your body. You still can't stand up say, now this kind of thing you won't go do. But our government making ourselves they put things in place because if all these necessary things they in place, I be making they find be a hospital now go build inside these NYSC camps. Making a put on there, I be making a find doctors. Because if not go, make a no line for people who don't go. Nothing there that place. Nothing there for the NYSC camp at all. If you go there, if you know even they careful self, you go even die come outside. The whole training where you go even do self, now that one self go even kill you. And our army is waiting for that camp, I no go surprise say maybe these girls they even by force her to play this volleyball. Because if they catch you there inside house, say you they sleep, I be they do something, say you know where, they don't go green you. And make me come they ask the medical reports where people they submit. On know they check them. And I suppose they check and know say okay, this one no dey medically fit. Make she go sit down for one place. Even if she no go match, make she just go sit down. And this thing don't even occur for my own camp where we say one girl come outside say she know they feel fine but this army thing say she dey lie. Now there ain't go beat this girl. Now there this girl just faint self die. This one self just be like another matter because I sure say maybe they force this girl go play this ball. Now I make it come be say the girl don't come die now. As he die now, what do we want to talk? Now rest in peace. What in government want to do? They could just give the family money. Now she don't talk government property because now government ain't go bury her because she die inside camp. Which kind of mistakes be all these ones? Since we say government go fit put in place, they no go put them in place. And they talk say this guy even struggle for 2 hours. The whole 2 hours. On I know he's and call ambulance. And I know he's and call doctor. Nigerians say I know they know us with the terrorism. These 2 hours they for every reason spare this girl life. For that place, maybe one kind better hospital, but even day when I go carry and go. And I don't even think of all those things. I just leave this girl, this poor girl now just can't die just like that. Ha! Now wow, my people. And the person who even talk this now, the friend, she self talk say, all the whole medical things no even there for this same place so that they could be in a hospital where I'm waiting. So I sure say even the Katsina hospital they don't get the medical things needed. Now make this girl still die. My people, now they hear things where they happen. If now they go camp, make na dey careful. People wey no dey fit, I know the be na go write letter, make na sit down back for in a house. But though government no go agree, but make na let them know say, oh na no well, make na no go partake in anything wey go come cut short of na life, na go come kill na. Using her just like that, and you know say government last no be any kind better money they go give you. Now one kind chicken change and they go give you. So may you no go even waste your life because this NYSC self, the stress, you no even water at all. You go do all this suffering, do all this on top of how much be allawi where you won't go die on top. So my people making her wise up, making her open her ear, hear what they talk, and they shout them now, making her hear well and now. Now this kind of thing now I say make her bring her making herself using her ear, hear what thing happen. Anything way I feel about this matter, making her write them for the comment section. Making her not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for the next video. Yeah, another one, they talk say Nigeria don dey plan sell power, that is electricity power, to 4 West African countries. Power supply wey never even reach some Nigerian people, and then these people now they plan to dey sell. They talk say the acting managing director of Transmission Company of Nigeria, and e get one wey they call WAP, wey be West African Power Pool. They don't come hand to hand talk say Nigeria gets power supply wey they know they use again. Now, in fact, now today now they hear this one for the first time. Say they know they use am again, so they plan say they won't sell am. This man wey name na Engineer Sule Ahmed talk say 4 countries need this thing. Wey be waiting Naija, I been na Niger, I don't know, Togo, Benin and Burkina Faso. Say now then these 4 countries now they won't carry this thing give up. And say because Nigeria no need this electricity, say the thing just dey there, it dey waste. Then they talk say Nigeria they talk to these 4 countries, say they want send this unused electricity through 570 million North Core power transmission line. Say now what they want use, they send this thing, and Daily Trust now they confirm say, in fact, say every day 2,000 megawatts of electricity now they utilize every day for Nigeria. So now as Nigeria can't decide say they won't sell this thing, how you want to be? I can't they wonder where we even did in Nigeria. Some people 2 years they never see light use. And I can't feel say when I want go sell this thing. To who? This country when they sell them to. See, Aje, that they even get light past us. This same Nigeria, that they get light steady past the country when I even go give. I don't understand how Nigerians, our government, they even think the thing where we need them more than these people. Now in a come outside they talk. What did this man talk now? He read say the power we'll be selling is the power that is not needed in Nigeria. So they get the one where they needed. I don't know where they put down. Then inside drum. I been a gorodo, they go keep that one. They're the one where they use again. Now they can't keep say they won't go sell. Say Nigeria has the greatest advantage among these countries because electricity is going to be exported from Nigeria's gen costs. From that, revenue is going to be enhanced and a lot of people will be employed in Nigeria. In which way, I beg? How this thing when I want to do? They give people work. How I want to employ people now? Because I know that now I want to employ people to go to work as NEPA agents. The one way can even shock me, they say they won't buy new generators to power them this thing. Because of say even the lights where we get, reach also. So they won't buy new generators to power this thing, to give all these 4 countries this light. Now, hey, government people. On a bit for if let's say they just look for another ways, another strategy to take thief this money. Because I don't understand. And I won't go buy Nigeria one day. How many years? Now no deciding I won't go buy generator. Now today, and I can't decide. For my street, during this COVID period, we no get like almost 1 year. I'm making a guess the reason. They talk say people go thief wire inside the transformer. They go thief ordinary wire because of that one. NEPA converse. Come carry the whole transformer they go. When we say they go just carry this wire, return them for us so gently and peacefully. They can't carry everything. It passed more than 1 year before they bring this thing. Now they won't come bring another strategy. This one they just they bomb money. People did their house for Nigeria. Now fuel now they use steady. 24/7 generator fuel and now they always waste. Now this thing one day when I confuse and I won't go sell them. Who na the help for this country? Who na they try even deceive? Later now will come outside they talk say the country good. If let's say just good for only honor because honor get money. On a feel they do all this thing. And I don't even need generator. And I go put what they even call them? Behind solar for house. And I go put them for the house they use. People when no can get money, ordinary even for. They no fit afford. Now, that means this one, if I give all this country light, that means Nigeria, in fact, 3 months, now they're going to share this light. If you got to get today, tomorrow, na bariga, in fact, now we go come even suffer. If let's say this regime, now suffer next, they just want more can suffer for this country. Now suffer next, now they want more can suffer. And I know say most companies, they leave go Ghana because of say waiting. Ghana, they always get light. On I no think and listen and say, people they come up because of say Nigeria no good. When I go try feast, now they add more problem. Now wow, in fact, our country they even tire me. Make I go they buy my bag. Make I they even plant or pack. Blessing I go donate money for make I come out. On a while I don't too much for Nigeria. No matter to even tire me. As it be, that's why they bring her for now. Every day, wahala. I know say you don't even tire on ourselves. But what we go do? Government say nothing the way they want to do. Make we find our own problem by ourselves. As they matter be, now so I bring them anything we na feel, making a write for the comment section because I know say this net pattern, everybody they experience them. So this new thing, what they do, it even makes sense. Ordinary, what they even call themselves, meter to share na problem. Even if they share them, even Ikeja disco, if they bring bill for you, headache now go first. In fact, your head go first lying bagay because the kind bill they go bring for you 15,000, 19,000 bill. When we say you never even chop like that for a month, they will come bring that kind bill for you. Now, wow, I know everybody they go through this kind nepa wahala. So anything where I feel, making a write down for the comment section. And making don't forget to like or share and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video.